Are you ready to learn English today?
Yes, I'm ready. It's the perfect day
For English Free Talk. Hi, friends. My name is Sam.
And my name is Lucy. Welcome to English Free Talk. Are you hungry? Great! Today, we will show you how to make a ladybug apple.
These are the items you will need: peanut butter, an apple, grapes, raisins, and a knife. First, use the peanut butter to stick 2 pieces of apple together. Second, use the peanut butter to stick raisins on the apple. Third, use the peanut butter to stick a grape at the top of the apple.
What is it? That's right. It's a ladybug.
Time to eat. English Free Talk.